dangerous because once you mix politics in with free markets, then it's really hard to see where one begins and the other ends. And I think on the surface, it sounds like a good idea. It sounds patriotic, right? Like we're investing in America's future. But here's the truth. This is not the kind of manufacturing that's going to bring back millions of jobs. Because the industries we're talking about, like semiconductors, lithium refining, AI infrastructure, those are all very high-skilled, high-tech industries. In some cases, they'll require PhDs and robotics engineers. They will be mostly automated systems that are going to do most of the work humans used to do. So even if we do build more factories, they will be filled not with people, but with robots. You might see a ribbon cutting ceremony or two and maybe a couple thousand new jobs, but they will never offset what will be lost to automation and AI. Now for investors though, I think this creates a new opportunity because when the government becomes an investor, politics I think starts to play a much bigger role than it normally should, whether we like it or not. So the companies that start to win then are not necessarily the most creative ones. They'll be the most strategically and politically aligned ones. Right? And we saw that play out earlier in the Trump's presidency. A lot of companies were sucking up to the president, and they were there. It's for a reason. If the U.S. owns 10% of Intel, and it funds MP Materials, and it backs Lithium Americas, Wall Street sees that. That money follows that. And if you think about it, when the government invests in companies, it also has an interest in keeping their stock prices somewhat stable, especially during election years. That's